about the pharynx. So what is pharynx? What is pharynx?
Pharynx is the opening tube of food
It is a
after oral.
it is a structure behind the oral cavity. Okay. So it is a mucous membrane behind the nose, mouth and larynx. So where it is present? It is present behind the mouth.
Okay.
Okay.
This is vertebra, doctor.
Yeah. And then, so what is this? This is the
Tongue.
pharynx.
Pharynx.
Okay. This
Pharynx
is the
cavity.
here. This is the nose. This part is the nose. Okay.
Okay.
This is the nose. Behind the nose. This is the mouth. Behind the mouth. And what is this? This is the larynx. Behind the larynx. So this whole passage is called pharynx.
So C6.
This whole passage,
Until
right?
C6.
Yeah. So now, how it is divided?
Oh,
This pharynx is divided into three parts.
Nasal.
So, nasal,
Nasal.
oral, and
Larynx.
laryngopharynx.
So
So
three
it
parts.
means what? What is the meaning it?
It's the bar.
It is the behind the nose, behind the oral cavity, behind the larynx.
Okay.
Okay?
This is behind three parts.
Yes. So behind three parts. So this is nasopharynx.
Okay.
And then this is oropharynx.
Okay.
And here laryngopharynx.
Okay. Doctor, here it's not below, not behind the nasal cavity.
Behind. Below or behind.
ده
Okay?
Okay.
Then like this. So it is the behind the nose, behind the oropharynx and behind the larynx. Okay? So whatever we take,
Nasopharynx is the bigger.
whatever the food goes here, it will come here, and then what is this?
Larynx. Epiglottis.
Yeah. So what happens
It's closed.
when we are eating? This epiglottis, it will close. It will close, and food goes in the pharynx. In the pharynx, and then esophagus, then go to the stomach. So this is the function. Now here, what you should know? Here you should remember the formation.
Only formations.
Yes, roof, floor. So what is the floor is made up of? So what are the structures you see in the floor? So what is the floor? So anterior wall, posterior nasal
Aperture.
septum. So posterior nasal aperture, this one. This is the nasal aperture here. And then anteriorly, and then anterior arch of atlas, this one. This is the anterior arch of atlas. Atlas means
C1.
C1. Okay? And the lateral wall. So what are the lateral wall? In the lateral wall, you have all this. So what is this? This is what you are seeing here.
Oropharynx.
No. This is the opening of auditory tube. Your ear opens in the nose. This internal acoustic meatus. So where? This one.
Okay. There are the nasal opening. Nasal opening.
This is the auditory tube.
I know.
Hmm.
But what you say about the
Yeah, it is opening in the nose. From there it comes down and it goes. It opens in the here. So what is the opening you are having? In the nasopharynx, you have the opening of auditory
Tube.
Okay? So all these structures. And then we have tubal, elevation, salpingo-pharyngeal folds.
Doctor, what's the number? This number?
Hmm?
Tubal elevation fold.
No, these are the elevations here. around.
So it referring to its number.
Hmm?
They are number 4
No, no,
for
don't worry.
suitable elevation.
Don't worry about all those things.
Okay.
Okay. Just remember the names. Okay.
It's 11:35 a.m.
Okay.
So
والباقي 42 سلايد.
صبر صبر.